Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to allow friends of friends to send you friend requests on Facebook. If you're looking to manage who can connect with you on the platform, this guide is perfect for you. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open a list of options where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can control different features of your account. Under the Tools and Resources section, tap on Privacy Checkup. This tool helps you review and adjust your privacy settings to ensure they align with your preferences. Tap on How People Can Find You on Facebook and continue through the prompts. Now, you'll see a section titled Who Can Send You Friend Requests? Tap on this option. Here, you have the choice to select Who Can Send You Friend Requests. By default, it might be set to everyone, but if you want to limit it to people who are friends with your friends, choose Friends of Friends. Selecting Friends of Friends adds an extra layer of privacy to your account, as it restricts friend requests to those who have mutual friends with you. This can help reduce unwanted requests from strangers. Once you've made your selection, save and confirm your changes. This will update your settings immediately, ensuring that only Friends of Friends can send you friend requests from now on. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your privacy on Facebook and control who can connect with you. Remember, managing your privacy settings regularly is important to maintain a comfortable and secure online experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.